Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. In the context of training sequence-to-sequence models, what is the primary function of teacher forcing? The correct answer is option B, using the ground truth from the previous time step as the next input during training. Which sub-word tokenization algorithm starts with individual characters and iteratively merges the most frequent adjacent pair of tokens? The correct answer is option A, byte pair encoding BPE. In the BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers architecture, what is the specific purpose of the CLS token? The correct answer is option C. It serves as a representation of the entire sequence for classification tasks. What is a major conceptual difference between GLOVE, global vectors, and Word2 vec embeddings? The correct answer is option D. GLOVE leverages global co-occurrence statistics across the entire corpus. The BLEU, Bilingual Evaluation Understudy, metric primarily evaluates machine translation quality based on which of the following? The correct answer is option A, n-gram precision and a brevity penalty. When using a softmax function for text generation, how does increasing the temperature parameter affect the output? The correct answer is option B. It flattens the probability distribution, leading to more diverse and random output. Why is positional encoding necessary in transformer models? The correct answer is option C. To provide information about the relative or absolute position of tokens in a sequence. Which training objective is used by RoBERTa to improve upon the original BERT model? The correct answer is option D, dynamic masking, where the masking pattern is changed in every epoch. In NLP research, the term stochastic parrots is used to critique large language models, LLMs, by suggesting that they The correct answer is option A, probabilistically link words without understanding their underlying meaning or logic. In parameter-efficient fine-tuning, PEFT, what is the function of adapters? The correct answer is option B. They are small, trainable modules inserted between existing layers of a pre-trained model. In dependency parsing, what does a projective parse tree imply? The correct answer is option C. There are no crossing dependency edges when the words are written in order. What is the primary cause of the vanishing gradient problem in standard recurrent neural networks, RNNs? The correct answer is option D, repeated multiplication of small gradients during backpropagation through time. In a transformer decoder, which attention mechanism prevents the model from looking ahead at future tokens? The correct answer is option A, masked self-attention. What makes fast text embeddings distinct from standard Word2 vec skipgram models? The correct answer is option B. It represents each word as a bag of character n-grams. In reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, what is the specific role of the reward model? The correct answer is option C. To predict which output a human would prefer based on a ranking dataset. Which decoding strategy maintains a set of k most probable partial sequences at each time step? The correct answer is option D, beam search. Which loss function is the standard choice for training a language model to predict the next token in a sequence? The correct answer is option A, cross-entropy loss. Perplexity is a common evaluation metric for language models. Mathematically, it is defined as The correct answer is option B, the exponentiation of the average cross-entropy per token. What is the primary benefit of using layer normalization instead of batch normalization in transformer models? The correct answer is option C. It works independently of the batch size and is effective for variable length sequences. The T5 text-to-text transfer transformer model is unique because it The correct answer is option D, treats every NLP task as a string-to-string conversion task. In Word2Vec training, what is the purpose of negative sampling? The correct answer is option A, to improve efficiency by only updating a small percentage of weights for incorrect context words. What is the difference between extractive and abstractive text summarization? The correct answer is option B. Extractive selects existing sentences from the text. Abstractive generates new sentences. In named entity recognition, NER, what does the B in the IB, inside-outside beginning, tagging format represent? The correct answer is option C, the first token of a multi-token named entity. Which of the following is considered a stop word in typical NLP preprocessing? The correct answer is option D. A common word like the or is that carries little semantic value. What does zero-shot learning refer to in the context of large language models? The correct answer is option A, the model's ability to perform a task without any specific training examples for that task. The long-former model was specifically designed to address which limitation of the standard transformer? The correct answer is option B, the quadratic scaling of self-attention with respect to sequence length. Which tokenization method is most closely associated with the original BERT model? The correct answer is option C, word piece tokenization. In a multi-head attention mechanism, what is the primary purpose of having multiple heads? The correct answer is option D, to allow the model to attend to information from different representation subspaces simultaneously. Which of the following describes the softmax function used in the final layer of a classifier? The correct answer is option A. It converts raw scores, logits, into a probability distribution that sums to 1. What is the main difference between stemming and lemmatization? The correct answer is option B. Stemming uses heuristic rules to chop off word ends. Lemmatization uses a vocabulary and morphological analysis. Thank you for watching.